So students, now let us start the exercise 1.4. Now in a class test of 30 questions, how many questions were there? 30 questions. 5 marks are given for every correct answer. If you are able to attempt it correctly, you will be scoring how much? Plus 5 marks. And minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. And if you are not able to attempt or an incorrect answer is there, so you will be awarded with minus 2. That means marks will be deducted. Now in this, Rihanna answered all questions, but only 18 of her answers were correct. How many answered she attempted correctly? 18. And then how many answers she would have may not be able to answer correctly? That will be 30 minus 18. Because total number of questions is how many? 30. And out of that 18 questions she was able to attempt correctly. So incorrect, how many are there? 30 minus 18, which is equals to 12. Now they are asking the total score. Total score will be equals to 18 multiplied by 5 plus 12 multiplied by minus 2. Add it and you will get the total score. Now here the height of an object A is 18,000 meter above the sea level. Whenever they say the word above here, that represent for plus sign. Another object is 700 meter below the sea level. The word below they are using here, that means it will be having a minus sign. Now they are asking what is the difference between the level of these places. Difference means we have to subtract both of them. So in the case of difference, always the bigger number is being kept at the first place. Here the bigger number is 18,000. That will be kept at the first place. Then a minus sign will be there. And in the bracket we will be having minus 700. Now since the two minus signs are coming together, it will be coming plus sign and it will be added and you will get the final answer. Now in question number 3, the store grocer makes a profit of rupees 470 on Monday. So the plus sign will be there because the word profit is coming here, which we will give the plus sign here, plus 470. And there is a loss. Loss means we'll be having what? A minus 120 on Tuesday. Again there is a loss, word is coming, that means minus 80. So you add both the negative signs. As I said to you, you can use the rule of majority, which says that if 3 integers are there having different sign, so you see the majority. Since the negative numbers are in majority, you add them and place a negative sign. So it will be, I will be having minus 200 rupees. And then we will add with plus 470. So it will be subtracted and the results comes out to be 270 rupees. Question number 4. A submarine is divided from a surface of water at a rate of 68 meter per minute. At what depth the submarine after 9 minutes? So you simply need to multiply 68 into 9. That will be the depth of the submarine after 9 minutes in terms of meter. Malika has rupees 58,000 in our bank account. She deposited. Whenever the word deposited is coming, that means something she is placing extra. So it will be with a plus sign. And withdraw, there is a withdraw is there. Withdraw will always represent for the minus sign. On the next day, find the net balance. Again there is a positive sign, there is a negative, 2 positive signs and 1 negative sign. So we'll add both of them and then we'll subtract with 36,960. Question number 6. The tanker contains 1000 liters of milk. So 812 liters of milk is supplied to the milk center. Since it's been supplying, so out of 1000 it will be something reduction will be there. So minus 812 is there. And then 672 liters of milk is added to it from the supplier. There is another supplier in between standing. So it will be plus sign. So we have got the 2 plus sign, one is 1000, another is 672, that will be added, which comes out to be 1672. And then we have to subtract minus 812. That many liters of the milk will be there left out. Question number 7. A tanker contains 800 liters of water. Due to the small hole in the tank, 9 liters of water is flowing out every hour. How much water will be left in the tank after 5 hours? So since they are saying 9 liters of water is flowing out every hour, so you multiply it by 5, which comes out to be 45. So this much water is being flown. So out of 800 liter, 800 minus 45, that will be giving you the result of the water which been left out. Tom borrowed some money from his friend 7 months ago. After every month he pay back rupees 400 to his friend. Currently he owes his friend rupees 250. That means with this much amount is still he has to pay back. So currently when they are saying, that means after 7 months he is having rupees, he has to pay back rupees 2500. How much he will owe his friend after the 3 months from now? After means some money he must have definitely paid, and that much amount will be how much? 400 into 3. So 400 into 3 comes out to be equals to how much? 1200, and that to be subtracted. So my results from 2500 minus 1200. So the results comes out to be 1300. That is left out. Now the next question, how much money did he borrowed from his friend? So we will calculate for the 7 months, 400 into 7, which comes out to be 2800, and 2500 will be added, which comes out to be 5300. That much amount he has taken from his friend. Now here in the question number 9, Kona has 400 shares of stock A, 500 shares of stock B, and she gains, there's a word gain is saying there. Gain means positive sign will be there, plus 3 per share, and loses means minus 2 share from the stock B. How much she gain or loss in the two stock taken together? So here what you do, we have to multiply 400 into 3 and 500 into 2. Since there is a loss, so it will be subtracted. 400 into 3 comes out to be 1200, and this comes out to be 1000. So 1200 minus 1000, which comes out to be 200. So there is a gain of 200 if she has taken the stock together. Complete this work in your classwork copy and keep it in your record.